Wondering how to design your dream house? Welcome to Home FAQs, your ultimate destination for all things related to making your house a dream haven. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of designing your own dream house. If you've ever dreamt of the perfect home, from the layout to the color scheme, we've got you covered. Prepare to unlock a world of inspiration with expert insights on home decor, design ideas, construction, and interior design tips. Whether you're building from scratch or renovating, this video will guide you step by step on the exciting journey to creating your dream home. Dream home vision. The first step in designing your dream house is to envision what you truly desire. Take the time to reflect on your lifestyle, preferences, and needs. What spaces are essential for you? Consider factors like the number of bedrooms, the layout of the kitchen, and the overall flow of the house. Create a vision board or gather inspiration from magazines, social media, or websites like Pinterest. Your dream home should reflect your personality and cater to your unique needs. Budget and planning. Once you have a clear vision, it's time to establish a realistic budget. Determine the costs associated with construction, materials, labor, and any additional features you want to include. It's crucial to strike a balance between your dream home and your financial capacity. Consider consulting with a financial advisor or a contractor to get a better understanding of the costs involved. With your budget in mind, start planning the layout of your dream house. Think about the functionality of each space and how they will interact with one another. Pay attention to details like natural light, ventilation, and energy efficiency. A well-thought-out plan is the foundation for a successful and satisfying home design. Architectural style and exterior design. Choosing the architectural style of your dream house is a significant decision that will set the tone for the entire project. Whether it's a modern masterpiece, a classic colonial, or a cozy cottage, the exterior design reflects your personal taste and preferences. Consider factors like the local climate, surroundings, and neighborhood aesthetic when making this decision. Once you've settled on a style, focus on the exterior design elements. From landscaping to the choice of materials for the facade, each detail contributes to the overall appeal of your dream home. Don't forget to factor in elements like outdoor living spaces, porches, and windows that not only enhance the aesthetic but also contribute to the functionality of your home. Interior design and personalization. The interior of your dream house is where your personality truly shines. From the flooring to the wall colors, every element should reflect your style and preferences. Consider the functionality of each room and how they will be used on a daily basis. Pay attention to details like storage solutions, lighting, and furniture arrangements. Personalization is key in creating a home that feels uniquely yours. Incorporate elements that hold sentimental value, whether it's family heirlooms, artwork, or custom features. Think about the flow of the house, ensuring that each room seamlessly connects with the next. This is your opportunity to bring your dream home vision to life within the walls of your sanctuary. Congratulations! You've successfully navigated the journey of designing your dream house. From envisioning the perfect space to planning, budgeting, and personalizing, every step has led you closer to turning your dream into reality. Remember, the key is to be patient and flexible throughout the process, as challenges may arise, but the end result is worth the effort. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Home FAQs for more free consultations, DIY hacks, and to stay ahead with the latest trends in home improvement and building. Your dream home journey begins here. Hit like, subscribe, and transform your space. Discover AI-driven content and expert advice from our AI-generated avatar. Thank you for joining us today, and until next time, happy designing.